Hey everyone, Oscar here with A&D Repair Tire Services LLC. We are finally out again in the outdoors, and today we're going to be dropping off 2 tires today. So this is what the 2 tires look like. So this is what the 2 tires look like. That one right there, and this one right here. So this one is a 149, 146. Yeah, tire. This is from, I think, I can't seem to find the brand. It is so hard. Oh, from FA 602. Oh, 608. Oh, my bad. But yeah, we're just dropping off 2 tires. So yeah, it's nothing too crazy today. We're just gonna drop off the tires. So there is where we're dropping it off over here. Right here, it's the tire. I believe that is the same one that we have here, and it's from, oh man, I cannot seem to pronounce what that brand is. So if anybody know what this brand is, let us know in the comments below, because I really don't seem to know what it says. I really don't know. But yeah, so yeah, so here's a pet peeve we have of our tires. So whenever we have rain or water inside our tires, it's a nuisance, and we have to use a cup right there, just like what he's doing right there, to get all the water out. So look at that, all that water. So yeah, that's no fun at all. But yeah, other than that, we just finished over here, so now we're gonna hit the road. And with that, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check us out on our social media, check us out on our website, and of course, if you want us to help you with your truck tires, want us to change your tires, or just get rid of your old tires and let us put new ones on yours, then our phone number and email is all going to be in the description below. And with that, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. See ya. Alright guys, so we're almost done filming, and we just realized that we have another tire to take. So this one's a pony. This one we're taking. Yeah. So apparently the guy didn't want us to take it out of his hands, so yeah, we're taking this one. So yeah, not really too surprising, just we're taking that in our hands. Alright, thank you guys for watching.